Surge, we've got a Nevada North lithium project. It is a lithium clay deposit in mining-friendly Nevada. We have significantly high grades, some of the highest grades that have been found in the United States. We've got those grades near surface, and we've got a proven management team. Firstly, we're new on the scene. We're about a year into our discovery, and we've got those significantly high grades. And I think also what we've done is we've set up a plan to move our project ahead, and we've done and accomplished what we said we would do. You know, we've done some initial met work, we've added to our management team, we started all the environmental work that we need to submit our plan of operations to the Bureau of Land Management. And of course, we had another drill program in 2023 that continues to show us those significant grades. Right, well, we had some significantly high intercepts, as high as 8,070 parts per million. Our 2022 program averaged 3,500 parts per million. And so far, the program this year has been slightly greater than that. I think that we're entering an era where geopolitical issues are impacting supply chains, both for businesses and individuals. And so I think governments have to take a look at the supply of critical minerals like lithium and make sure that they're not reliant on one jurisdiction, perhaps an unfriendly jurisdiction at that, for the national supply. So in this case, the US government is taking steps to have supplies in the United States for Made in America products. We've seen a lot of changes in the spot price of lithium, and there's all sorts of predictions about lithium supply gluts, lithium supply shortages. I think the evidence kind of speaks for itself. It's a little bit of fun with numbers, and if you just really take a look at the numbers, we're still continuing to see year-over-year increases in sales of EVs, and we're in this for the long game, and so we're fairly confident on the supply trend. Most expensive component of an electric vehicle is the battery. And so to be competitive, auto manufacturers want to drive down the cost of their vehicles. So they want to be able to drive down the cost of the batteries. And so they have to continue to look at their supply and work out the best way to achieve that supply at the lowest cost. So I think it's a very, very important part going forward. 2024 is going to be a big year for Surge Battery Metals, and we're really looking forward to it. In Q1, we're going to do our maiden resource estimate. We're going to be working for the next several months with the Bureau of Land Management on our exploration plan of operations. We expect to get that permit in Q4 of this year. As well, we're targeting a PEA for Q4 of this year, so there'll be a lot of work going on. Well, we're going to continue to move our project ahead as quickly as we can. Once we get our plan of operations permit, we'll be moving from a 5-acre disturbance that we're limited to right now to a 250-acre disturbance, and we'll be able to further drill out our resource and move to PFS from there.